Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to the second update for Easter. So we did the first update on Sunday evening, and quite a cold one it was as well. A lot of northerly winds and pretty wintry conditions at times with that first update. So this is the second update, and we'll have a look and see what the GFS has conjured up for us tonight for the Easter weekend. It's just starting to come into a semi-reliable time frame of GFS model in terms of the early period, so Good Friday is up to day 10. The Easter Sunday, Easter Monday is still a very long way out into the extended range of the GFS model, so we expect further chopping and changing over the rest of this week as the model tries to come to a conclusion about what could be ahead. Well, before I get on with the Easter update, just very quickly to mention the ads. There's links to articles on all the pages. Have a browse through widgets and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in. Thanks very much for doing that. There's also video ads on most of the pages. They open up with content, and when you watch them, they'll close back up again. And it's all helping to pay for gasweatherviz.com. So we're going to start off with the situation on Good Friday. We've got a ridge of high pressure down to the southwest of the country, and we bring down this chilly northwesterly wind around this area of high pressure. The upper air temperatures are cold. Got the -5 isotherm there across the country, so it's a cold day to start the bank holiday weekend. But it's mostly dry. There's a few showers. Some of them could be wintry running down the east coast, and maybe a little bit of rain across Ireland. Otherwise, it is a mostly dry day. But the temperatures are chilly, just down into single figures for most parts of the country. 7s, 8s and 9s the best we get there, maybe up to 10 Celsius in the far southwest. Remember, because we're so far away with this, the detail is very much subject to change. So we're really just using this model at this stage for trends, and the detail in terms of like temperature, precipitation, that sort of thing, will be subject to change over the next few updates. This is how we go into Saturday the 26th of March, so this is sort of Easter Saturday, and again high pressure is close to us. It is closer on this run compared to the first update where the high pressure was a long way away. So the high pressure is just down to the southwest of the country, bringing in this westerly flow across the UK. The upper air temperatures have lifted up, so it's turned a bit milder into Saturday. There's a warm front bringing that increase in temperatures, and that's producing rain in the northern part of the country. To the south, it's mostly dry, but it will be very cloudy, and the temperatures are lifting up, so we're going at sort of 12, 13 degrees there. So it is a milder, albeit cloudy, and for the north, quite wet day. This is how Easter Sunday is looking. This is Sunday the 27th of March. Again, high pressure close to us. It's not going to be too bad. This isn't anywhere near as cold or as unsettled as we saw with the first update. That high pressure is very close to the southwest of the UK, exerting its influence over the country with this ridge indicated by irrigation in the isobars. Upper air temperatures are quite cool for Easter Sunday. A lot of dry weather. This is probably suggesting a lot of cloud across the country, really. These green colours on these precipitation charts generally mean quite a cloudy day, but not a great deal of rain. Temperatures again around 7 to 10, something like that. So it's cool, but it's not as cold as the first update. Then we go through to Easter Monday, and we've got still under this little ridge of high pressure, although low pressure is threatening from the northwest, quite a deep area of low pressure around Greenland and Iceland. Upper air temperature still cool, but we still hang on to mostly dry weather. So this isn't too bad at all an update, to be honest. This second one, it's a lot drier than that first update, and it isn't as cold either. So fair amount of dry weather for Easter Monday. Temperature still nothing to write home about and get excited about, but we're sort of at 10, 11, 12 in the south and around 7, 8 or 9 in the north. So it's a bit of the cool update still, but it isn't as cold as the first update, which had a lot of northerly influences. This is more Atlantic based in origin type air, and the ridge of high pressure is close to us to the southwest, so it means that it stays mostly dry, little bits of rain coming through at times, but mostly dry through the Easter period. So if it did come off like this, we wouldn't have too bad a weekend. It's certainly been worse Easters than this one is suggesting, but it is quite a change on the first update, of course, and we're just trying to get the trend of the model really for this first week. So this is subject to changing again. We'll see what it's showing when we do the third update on Thursday evening. But that's all for now, and thanks.